Hello and welcome to the mp3 Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how mp3 Academy helps you thrive in life. Whether you're looking to improve your personal growth, achieve your career goals, or simply lead a more balanced and fulfilling life, mp3 Academy is here to support you on that journey. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you develop essential skills, from emotional intelligence to time management, and unlock your full potential. With flexible, easy-to-access audio modules, you'll gain practical tools and insights that you can apply immediately to start making real progress. Let's dive into how mp3 Academy can empower you to reach new heights and truly thrive in every aspect of your life. mp3 Academy helps individuals thrive in life by offering a comprehensive learning platform that is both accessible and practical. One of the key benefits of mp3 Academy is its flexibility, allowing users to learn anytime and anywhere through audio modules. This flexibility empowers individuals to integrate learning into their daily routines, whether they're commuting, working out, or simply relaxing. By making personal development easily accessible, mp3 Academy ensures that self-improvement is no longer a time-consuming task, but an integrated part of daily life, helping people stay consistent on their journey to thrive. For our complete list of mp3 Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.academy. In the shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3 Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3 Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. If you'd like to stay updated with all our new content, simply subscribe to the mp3 Academy YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe option attached to the logo in the bottom right corner of the video. It's that easy. Just hover your mouse over the logo and click the subscribe option. The platform's focus on life optimization offers a holistic approach to self-growth. Through carefully crafted modules, mp3 Academy covers topics that range from goal setting, mindfulness, and time management to emotional intelligence and resilience. Each module is designed to provide actionable insights that users can immediately apply to their personal and professional lives. This focus on practical tools rather than just theory allows users to make tangible changes in their lives, fostering both personal and professional success. One of the standout features of mp3 Academy is its ability to help individuals overcome challenges and adapt to changes. Life is full of unexpected twists, and the ability to navigate obstacles is crucial to thriving. mp3 Academy's content is geared toward building resilience and adaptability, offering guidance on how to face setbacks with confidence. The problem-solving strategies taught in the modules help users shift their mindset from reactive to proactive, enabling them to tackle challenges head-on and thrive despite difficulties. In addition to resilience, goal setting is a major component of thriving in life, and mp3 Academy excels at helping users establish and achieve meaningful goals. The platform teaches effective techniques for setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, which are essential for creating a roadmap to success. By breaking down larger goals into manageable steps, mp3 Academy ensures that users can consistently make progress without feeling overwhelmed, staying motivated as they move closer to their personal objectives. mp3 Academy also emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and personal growth. Thriving in life requires a deep understanding of oneself, and the modules encourage users to reflect on their strengths, weaknesses, and core values. This self-awareness is crucial for aligning one's actions with long-term goals and living authentically. Through guided exercises, users are taught how to embrace self-reflection and cultivate a growth mindset, which is essential for continuous development and thriving in both personal and professional settings. Another way mp3 Academy supports users in thriving is by enhancing their emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a critical factor in building strong relationships, both personally and professionally. The modules help users develop empathy, improve communication skills, and manage their emotions effectively. By fostering emotional intelligence, mp3 Academy enables individuals to create more meaningful connections, resolve conflicts more easily, and build a supportive network, all of which are key to thriving in life. Mindfulness is another cornerstone of thriving, and mp3 Academy offers practical techniques for incorporating mindfulness into daily life. Being present and aware not only reduces stress, but also improves focus and decision-making. mp3 Academy's mindfulness modules help users cultivate a calmer and more centered mindset, allowing them to navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and confidence. This mindfulness practice enhances both mental well-being and productivity, contributing to overall life satisfaction. mp3 Academy also supports thriving by helping individuals develop habits that lead to long-term success. The platform teaches the science behind habit formation and offers strategies for building positive habits that support personal and professional goals. By learning how to create sustainable habits, users can implement small changes that compound over time, leading to significant improvements in their overall well-being and success. Consistency in habit building is crucial for thriving, and mp3 Academy makes it achievable through its step-by-step guidance. Time management is another vital skill for those looking to thrive, and mp3 Academy provides modules dedicated to mastering time. By teaching users how to prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and stay organized, the platform enables individuals to make the most of their time. With effective time management, users can balance work, personal life, and self-care, leading to a more fulfilling and productive life. This balance is essential for avoiding burnout and maintaining the energy needed to continue thriving in the long run. Finally, mp3 Academy helps individuals thrive by encouraging lifelong learning. The platform is designed for continuous development, with new content added regularly to keep users engaged and growing. Lifelong learning keeps the mind sharp, fosters curiosity, and opens up new opportunities for personal and professional advancement. By adopting a mindset of lifelong learning, users of mp3 Academy ensure that they are always evolving, which is key to thriving in an ever-changing world. In conclusion, mp3 Academy provides all the tools and resources necessary for individuals to thrive in life. Through its flexible learning platform, focus on actionable insights, and comprehensive coverage of key personal development topics, mp3 Academy empowers users to overcome challenges, set and achieve meaningful goals, develop emotional intelligence, and create habits that lead to lasting success. By embracing the lessons and strategies offered by mp3 Academy, individuals can unlock their full potential and reach new levels of personal and professional fulfillment.